Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to allow only the accounts you follow to reply to a specific post on the X, formerly Twitter, app for PC. This new update makes customizing your post interactions easier than ever. Let's jump right in. First, open the X app on your computer. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the familiar layout on the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation options that guide you through your profile, messages, notifications, and most importantly, the posting tools. From that left sidebar, click on the post icon. It's the button that lets you start creating a new post, whether it's a thought, a link, an image, or anything you want to share with your followers. Once you click it, a post window will pop up, ready for your text. Before you hit the publish button, take a look underneath the post box. You'll see an option labeled Who Can Reply. This is where the new update works its magic. Click on that option. As soon as you select it, you'll see different choices for who can interact with your post. You can open your replies to everyone, limit them to people you follow, or even keep them completely private. For now, let's choose the option that says Accounts You Follow. This setting means that only users you currently follow will be able to reply to your post. It's a great way to manage engagement, keep conversations focused, and avoid unwanted replies. After choosing your preferred setting, go ahead and post your content. That's it. You've successfully set up your post so that only the accounts you follow can reply. This new feature on the X app for PC is perfect for keeping your discussions more personal and under control while still letting your followers see what you share. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might be exploring the new features on X. Thanks for watching. Thanks.